Hey guys, my name is Martinez and I'm in Math 1073, Section 15. We're going to be working on question 44, Section 5.4, page 373. And this question is a rational expression question. And so our equation is 5 over x minus 3 is greater than 3x over 3x plus 1. So we're going to make it equal to 0. All we're going to do is subtract the 3 over x plus 1. And that's going to make it equal to 0. And so our next step would be find the common denominator. This is also another easy step. All we're going to do is multiply this denominator by this numerator and this denominator by this numerator. And so, well, your next step would be to distribute, and it's going to come out to 5x plus 5 over x plus 1 times x minus 3 subtracted by 3x minus 9 over x plus 1 times x minus 3. And our final, well, not final step, but close to the end, we're going to reduce, we're going to combine, and then we're going to reduce. So it's going to come out to 2x plus 14 over x plus 1 times x minus 3 is greater than 0. And our next step would be find the zeros. And it would be x plus 1 equals 0. So we're going to subtract the 1 and make it x negative 1. And then we're going to have x minus 3 equals 0. And we're going to add a 3. So it's going to make it x equals 3. And the last one is 2x plus 14. So we're going to subtract the 14 and then divide by 2. Make it to x equals negative 7. And our final step, this is our final step, we're going to find values in between those three numbers, the negative 7, negative 1, and 3. And you could pick any values, but I chose negative 8, negative 5, 2, and 4. And so if we plug them into this equation, the negative 8 is going to be a negative, the negative 5 is going to be a positive, the 2 is going to be a negative, and the 4 is going to be positive. So you're saying, why does this matter? So in this equation, it tells you it has to be greater than 0. So we're looking for positive values. And so that's how we're going to know what's going to be in our set notation. So on our answer, and we use interval notation. So because it's the 8's a negative, we're not going to include anything past 7, and because the 2 is a negative, we're not going to include anything past 1. So this would be negative 7, comma, negative 1, and then we're going to have, because the 2 is a negative, we're not going to include anything past 3, so it's going to be 3, comma, to infinity, because, again, everything is greater than 0. And so this is your answer. I mean, it's pretty simple. All the other problems should be pretty simple. All you have to do is follow steps and you'll be okay. Thank you.